Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a cupcake stand. Here's what you need. You need a cardboard cut in a rectangular shape, two empty cookie boxes and gift paper. You need to cover all of this with the gift paper as shown. Cover the cookie boxes also with gift wrapper as shown. Now stick the two cookie boxes on the cardboard as shown using glue gun. Using glue gun will ensure that the cookie boxes stay intact. Once you have stuck the cookie boxes, keep some weight and allow it to stay for some time. This way it will be stuck intact. Now your simple and easy cupcake stand is ready. Hope you liked watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care.